Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today we're going tiny. After the news broke in Oakland that City Council had unanimously voted in favor of allowing tiny homes to occupy residential properties, I fully went down the rabbit hole. The news changes the game for affordable housing, and there is potential for other cities to follow suit, meaning the tiny home market might be about to explode, and I need to study up. There are plenty of folks building tiny homes and lots to learn, so I decided to start my homework with a company recommended to me by a higher up in the manufactured home industry. They're just a hop, skip, and jump away from Oakland, and what they're offering did not disappoint. Tiny homes share a lot of the same benefits as manufactured homes, and I don't know for sure, but I imagine they appeal to people for a lot of the same reasons. I think it's very likely that tinies appeal to a younger demographic because even though they're well thought out and cool, there are certain things in them that I just can't picture people my parents' age using. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, show you my 3 favorite models, and we are going to look at pricing, so let's do it. The company is called Tiny Mountain Houses. They're a Pacific Northwest-based provider of quality-built tiny homes that are built to NFPA 1192 travel trailer code. They have locations in Silverton, Oregon and Falls City, Washington. However, they deliver to 50 states. I couldn't find when the company was founded, but a long scroll on their Instagram tells me they've been doing this since at least 2015. The seemingly endless scroll also dug up a picture of a familiar face posing in front of one of their tiny homes with the crew. I know I've seen that actress dating Raj on The Big Bang Theory, so that's kind of neat. Tiny Mountain Houses is a family operation, which is very cool, and is led by the man known as Lou, a highly respected factory-built construction professional bringing 20 years experience in the systems-built construction industry. This is a guy who worked on a 200,000 square foot, 3-story mixed-use property in North Dakota and hundreds of single-family manufactured homes delivered to the Pacific Northwest, California, Nevada, and even all the way up to my neck of the woods, British Columbia. Their website states, "Tiny houses are a way to travel in comfort, to downsize a hectic lifestyle, or to make that cabin in the woods, or on the lake, or on the beach, or on the top of a mountain an option without sacrificing quality, craftsmanship, comfort, or affordability." I like the sounds of that. I do. They believe in craftsmanship, comfort, which I won't get into much because they're pretty self-explanatory, but we will dive into their third point, which is affordability. They say, "We want our tiny houses to reach people in various economic situations and stages of life. Our commitment to affordability without sacrificing quality is what drew us to create this company." We'll be the judge of that, thank you. With all that out of the way, let's have a look at what everyone is actually here for, the tiny homes. Out of the 19 they currently have in stock, here are my 3 favorite. The first home is the Little Tahoma Peak, which is on the more affordable end of the spectrum. It's 18 feet long by 8'6" wide with a total floor space of 213 square feet. What I like best about this home is the exterior. I'm a huge fan of the wood accent, blue siding, and shed roof. Great combo. Inside is an open living room with the kitchen on the end wall, a bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet, all on the main floor, which totals 153 square feet. The bed is located in the loft, which has enough room for a king. Remember back a full 2 or 3 minutes ago when I mentioned there were certain things about tiny homes that made me wonder if the primary demographic of buyers were younger? Well, this is what I'm talking about. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't picture a 65-plus-year-old wanting to have to climb up a ladder to access their bedroom. If I'm wrong about this, let me know in the comments because I've been wrong before, and guess what? I'll be wrong again. Write that down. Either way, I really like this unit. It seems big enough that you've got a bit of dance floor, and with a price tag of $56,000, it fits in the affordability column right between a traditional RV and most manufactured homes. You might be able to find a few manufactured homes cheaper, but not many, and I always forget they're for a totally different purpose and buyer. Next up, we have the Castle Peak. This unit is a step up in size, coming in both 24 and 26 foot models. The model shown is 335 square feet of total floor space, which includes the space from both lofts. The exterior has the wood accent again, but I do like the blue of the little Tahoma peak over the brown on this model, but obviously something that can be changed pretty easily. I also prefer the look of the modern monoslope roof over the peak roof, but again, minor details, because what really sets this home apart is the interior. This tiny has a full bathroom. I feel like that's a game changer. You don't want to be bumping into everything every time you're in there. It has a kitchen across from the entrance door and a flex room at the end that is stated can be used as a den, living room, dining room, or bedroom. The unit shown has a built-in entertainment center, so it would appear they went with the living room option. The home comes with a loft at either end with twisted steps up to the primary loft. What I like about this home is there's really two living spaces. You can set up a living space in the secondary loft, which is 45 square feet, then another living space on the main floor in the den. So if there's more than one person living in the home, you can spread out a little bit. Another thing I really like about this house is the white cabinets with the dark countertop. Very slick look. The price tag on the Castle Peak is $77,500 on the 24-foot model and $83,300 on the 26. Finally, we have the 26-foot Mount Bachelor tiny home. This sucker is by far my favorite of them all. It has a total floor space of 366 square feet combined from the main floor and two lofts. I like the exterior of this home. The base is a light blue with a darker blue metal accent and a red door. It's sharp, but still doesn't touch the little Tahoma Peak, in my opinion. Tip of the cap to whoever picked the interior colors for this house, because it was an absolute home run. The blue cabinets with the white counters and backsplash, yes please, need that. The layout is similar to the Castle Peak, but instead of going flex room, kitchen, bathroom, it goes flex room, kitchen, living room, bathroom. If you're worried about hitting your head on the loft, I was too, but it says the ceiling height under the loft is 6'6". So I would have some clearance, but anyone standing 6'5" or over is gonna have a problem. This home also comes with a full bathroom, which I think is important if you're going to live in it full time. If it's going to be used as more of a weekend getaway, a tiny bathroom is probably all you need, but who doesn't want the comfort of a full-size shower? My favorite part about the Mount Bachelor was how this specific unit was decorated. Such a cool look. However, I wouldn't call myself an interior designer, so I'm interested to see what everyone else thinks. You probably guessed it, the Mount Bachelor is the most expensive of the three homes that I picked, with a base price of $85,000. I think tiny homes are an awesome option that might be a real solution in more places if other major cities follow the lead set by Oakland. Right now, there are so many unbelievable factory-built options available, with new ones being added all the time. I was just talking to a guy yesterday who transitioned from building multi-million-dollar luxury homes to tiny homes, and he's already booked out well into next year. Tiny homes, manufactured homes, and prefab homes are just getting warmed up, so I'll keep you posted on new and exciting companies as I see them. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.